Oh boy, this topic is a doozy lately. We're going to talk about how to make sure that your website is ADA compliant with these 2 steps. And if you don't know what that means, making your website ADA compliant, you really need to watch this video. I promise it's not actually that hard. I'm Maria Spear-Allis, lawyer for content creators and online brands, and this is the Spear IP Show. So what is the ADA and how the heck does it relate to website? Well, your content should be accessible to blind and deaf users per the American with Disabilities Act, ADA. How do blind and deaf users access your content? By using assistive technologies that hear it and see it for them. This goes for your website. It also goes for marketing materials like email. So how the heck do you stay ADA compliant? It comes down to 2 overarching rules. Rule number 1, make sure you have a perceivable and navigable website. This means that text-only images are a no-no, because if it's an image that has text on it, there's no way for the assistive technology to read that text in the same way that it would read text in a headline or in the body of a paragraph. Text-only images are a no-no unless you use alternatives or that alt text feature where you can describe what is in that image. You can put all the text that's in that text-only image in the alt text field. Also, websites should be easy to navigate. Think color contrast, placement of images, mobile usage, where the buttons are they easy to see, that kind of thing. Rule number 2, make sure that your content is understandable and compatible. This means that it should be readable and it should be friendly to assistive technologies. Also, there are widgets that you can get to upload to WordPress or Squarespace or wherever you have your website that can help those assistive technologies with your website. So why is this important? Why do we care about ADA compliance and your website? Well, first, it makes your content accessible to everyone, so there's that. But second, there are a lot of lawsuits creeping up for folks who don't have ADA compliant websites. One context might be is if you share recipes online and you have that image text file on your website where you might have the recipe up and it looks really great and it's got your branding, but it's a JPEG and it's got tons of text on it and assistive technologies can't read that. So a workaround is, of course, putting the recipe in the body, having that text there so the assistive technology can read it, and voila. So that's why this stuff matters. Of course, you want your content to be accessible to everybody, and also you don't want to be subject to a lawsuit under the ADA or not complying with the ADA. So I hope that helps you understand 2 ways to make sure that your website is ADA compliant, and I'll see you next time. Head to spear-ip.com/quiz to take my free quiz that will diagnose your legal blind spot and tell you how to fix it. Again, that's spear-ip.com/quiz.